Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sana Riaz. Today I am talking about amazing health benefits of banana. My first point is energy. Bananas help proper carbohydrate necessary to replace the muscles, glycogen, muscles, sugar used. Potassium. High in potassium, bananas help the body circulatory system oxygen to the brain, helping maintain regular heartbeat and proper water balance in brain power. Potassium packed fruit helps learning because it makes the pupil more alert. Students find that they have more brain power and do better on exam when they eat bananas at breakfast and lunch. Iron. Bananas are rich in iron too and help individuals with anemia. Iron-rich foods such as bananas help stimulate production of hemoglobin in the blood, increase happiness. Banana release a mood regulating substance called tryptophan, which is converted to serotonin in the brain, elevates mood and makes happier. Helps smokers quit. Bananas contain B vitamin and other minerals that lessen the effects of nicotine withdrawal both physically and psychologically. PMS. Bananas contain vitamin B6. This vitamin regulates blood glucose level and helps us in times of stress and helps to suppress cranky mood. Bowel health. Bananas are high in soluble fiber which helps stop constipation and helps to restore and maintain regular bowel function. If you like my video then subscribe my channel. Thank you.